Hello everyone. In this video, I would like to show you how you can group or ungroup an image. Sometimes maybe you're doing your assignment or project or your research paper, and you design a framework and figure that to illustrate your theoretical background or your ideas in that project. So um, it is very important that you know how you can control those figures and images in your documents. So I'm gonna open an existing figure I have here already in this document. Okay. Um, So, yeah, this is the figure. Imagine that this is like a conceptual framework. This is knowledge sharing. This is knowledge acquisition and knowledge creation. So, I'm thinking of the impact of knowledge sharing on the knowledge acquisition, knowledge creation, or the relationship between knowledge sharing and knowledge acquisition, knowledge creation. So this is a simple figure, as you can see now. The figure are not yet grouped, so that's why I cannot move them together one time. So if I want to move, I have to move them one by one. You see, each element is almost separated from another, although they look like they are together, right? So here comes the importance of grouping. Now, if I want to group them, so what I have to do, first I have to select all the items, and to do that I will have to press Control button with my finger and keep it pressing that one until I finish the selection. Now I am pressing already, so I select the first item here, this circle, and this one, and this arrow, just select this arrow, and this uh, circle or this rectangle as well. So all of them are selected. Now I can release the control button. I go now to layout. In the layout on the far right, you can see here group, and group I select group again. So you can see now all the elements now they are together. So I can move them together up, down, left, right as I like it. Okay. So this give you opportunity to save more time and effort, so you don't need to worry that the elements of the figures they are you know dispersed different parts or they are not together. All right. In case I want to add more elements to this figure, so I will need to ungroup the first group and then group all the elements together. Like, for example, the idea, let's say I come to insert and shapes. Okay. Now, let's say I want to add more elements here, like this another circle here, for example, another one. Okay, I will select again. Let's say I will add this another circle down here. Okay, I move a little bit. Okay, now, so these two elements are not part of the first group, you see. So that's why they are not moving, because they are not grouped. Okay, so to be part of the group, what I have to do, I will ungroup this first group. So I have to ungroup them. And to ungroup them, I will come to the group and go to ungroup. Now, so they are ungrouped. So they are now they cannot move together anymore. Okay, because they are not together anymore. So Now, because of the new elements, I will have to select each element again. Okay, I'm selecting now. Why I'm pressing the control button? Okay, I have to start again. Okay, all the elements must be selected. Make sure that you put the the cursor on the right place. Okay, I have to select this one. So I think all the elements of the figure are now selected. So I come to group now. So I think all of them, you see, now they are selected and moving together. So with that, you really save a lot of time and effort. And this is how you use grouping and ungrouping for your figure. Thank you.